A grand jury has indicted the truck driver accused of triggering a deadly pileup on I-35 last spring.
Solomun Weldekeal-Araya is facing 5 counts of manslaughter, 2 counts of aggravated assault causing serious bodily injury, and 15 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The weapon being the 18-wheeler he was driving at the time.
KVUE's Kelsey Sanchez joining us from the scene off Palmer Lane where that crash happened back in March. And Kelsey, you had a chance to talk with a criminal defense attorney about these new charges and what they mean for this case going forward. Tell us what you learned.
That's right, Mark and Jenny. But just to give you an idea of where I am, the stretch of road behind me is where those 5 people, including a child and a baby, were killed back in March. And to catch you up to speed on how we got to this new indictment, police initially accused Weldekeal-Araya of being under the influence during the crash, but it was later revealed through blood tests that that was not the case. Now, that new indictment handed up by the Travis County Grand Jury describes Weldekeal-Araya as reckless. The arguments listed are driving at an unsafe speed limit, disregarding construction safe zone traffic signs, leaving a designated lane of travel in an unsafe manner, failing to take sufficient evasive action, and failing to sufficiently apply brakes. The manslaughter charges relate to the 5 victims who died, while the other 17 counts involve the other 17 victims who were injured. Now, Weldekeal-Araya's attorney responded to the indictment, calling it a, quote, desperate attempt to criminalize a tragic accident. I did speak to retired judge and criminal defense attorney Charlie Bayard, who says he believes this is the state's attempt to gain some sort of conviction, but did say on the defense's end, he thinks it could be deemed a tragedy.
If I were representing this individual, that would certainly be my defensive theory, that nothing that this individual did constituted reckless conduct and reckless behavior, and therefore it was not a crime.
DA Jose Garza released a statement saying their hearts continue to break for the victims and families, and there is probable cause to believe the driver broke the law. Now, the defense and prosecution are set to check back in on this case next month, but for now, Weldekeal-Araya remains out on bond. Live in North Austin, I'm Kelsey Sanchez, KVUE News.